You are leaving money on the table. As you can see, I've made over $10,000, have over 2,500 orders, and 244 reviews. I've been a star seller many, many times. And today we're going to talk about setting up a thank you message so that way you can get repeat customers. So we're going to go into marketing here on the left, hit sales and discounts. Then we are going to set up a thank you message. So this is going to give them a discount for any future purchases. So you can do percentage off, fixed amount, or free standard shipping. So I'm going to do fixed amount, and I'm going to do percentage off. And I'm going to do 50% because I want to reward them for coming back. So I'm going to do promo code thank you 50 off. And that is automatically going to apply. You can set a minimum order if you want, and you can say that I want a total order of a dollar amount or a total number of items. So maybe they have to purchase 2 or 3 items, but I'm going to do no minimum order. And I can also send it to an offer when someone favorites one of your items, but I'm actually going to do that separately in another video. So definitely check that out. So we can go create offer and 50% off. And then if you want to turn it off, then you can just come back here to marketing and you hit details, and then down at the bottom, you can see stop sending offers or deactivate code. And next, if you want to add a code for abandoned cart, check out this video here. Next up, watch this video showing how to create a coupon for people that have abandoned their cart, where they added products to their cart, but they did not check out, and this is going to help you get some more sales. And I also have a video on 30 digital download ideas so that you can make passive income on your Etsy shop.